name?
I'm Cicero.
Cicero.
Yeah. Essa Harry.
Ákos.
Yeah. Ákos.
So here we are. We're walking to the start of the Sugarloaf way, and yeah, we're like 15-20 minutes away from the start of the hike. And yeah, in this village at the Kola, I don't know. Anyway, we're almost there. It looks really steep, but it's gonna be fun. Now I have to check the map which way we go.
We had like 2 breaks before we even cook and reach the foot of the mountain.
Yeah.
We had all our main lunch and all by then. You know.
Hello, cows. Alright. On the road again. We have Angus here coming up. And then we're kinda on the halfway of going up to this Sugarloaf mountain.
Oh, can we just go that way?
Here we go this way, yeah. I think.
Actually, that's the way you go.
Yeah.
That way. Yeah, that's...
Are we going the right way if we climbing the mountain?
Well, yeah, if you continue on that path, then you can
And
go
then
left.
it's like the steep
Yeah.
part coming there, yeah?
Yeah.
What do you reckon? How far is it to get up there?
To know we didn't do it.
Oh, you didn't do it. Alright, you do it. You're just better watching for me.
You're just walking up and down here, just looking for it.
Behind me there, the last 200 meters. It's really steep. More like a mountain climbing kind of thing. Very windy up here.
Taking photos. He's a Himalayan walking
Explorer, yeah.
Walking man, so he's well used to it.
Sugarloaf mountain, 502 meters. Lovely weather, beautiful views. So that's Glen of the Downs, the forest where we're going now. So we gotta come down here, go around, end up there, go into the forest, and then from there we walk over to Greystones, which is just there. Oh my You see it's hard, man, yeah? Bro, come on.
It's easy, but it's not.
Yeah. Come on, give it to me. Hey, shit, man.
Take a video, hang on.
People trust each other here.
Look how trusting it is in the country. It's a little box here when you come along and a little chicken on it. And when you open it,
Honesty box.
there's the homemade jam. Look, homemade jam.
So we're up in the forest now, heading up to a place called Octagon. It's probably some old ruins, or I'm not 100% sure what is it. We'll see when we get there. Yeah, it's nice and cool here in the forest, and it's getting dark here. Whoa.
Yeah, so you probably have to lower, like, take the quid or two.
And whoa,
Yeah.
full of horse shit. Yeah, so it's around 3:30 now. I say we'll be back to Greystones around 6 or 7, maybe.
An old building there. What's the building called?
Octagon.
Octagon.
We made it to the Octagon, which is just there. Not sure what is it, but we have a look. It must be a nice view from here, man. Eh? Let's have a look. So that's Sugarloaf. We've been coming up from there, down, all over the place.
Tea rooms for rich people back in the 1700s. But while I was researching it, they were talking.
I have flashlight, man.
They were saying it's on the torch while I'm going through this.
Who's
tunnel
going first?
While I'm recording, so I'll let you know when we get to the other end.
You have a torch, like.
Hang on. Oh, you've got a torch.
I have, yeah.
You go on, go. Okay, you go first then with your torch.
Oh, no way.
And we've got this big fucking. Will you fucking go, you fucking.
Oh.
Right. He's going through. I'm behind him.
There's some.
Adam
Imagine,
is behind me.
imagine if there is some animal in here, man. Oh, now you can stand up. Look.
Turn around like this with your torch. Shine it on your face. You can stand up and then shine on the fucking ground. Tell me, we're in the dark here. And let's look through.
Look.
Wow.
Point the fucking horse in the ground.
Sorry, but this is probably boring to watch, but we're having a lot
More
of fun
interesting
here.
to go through, actually.
We're having a lot of fun going through.
Okay, now we're out here, eh?
Now. So we're after going through the tunnel of love.
Ah, yeah.
Oh no, it's muddy again.
That's why Adam was trying to put his hands down my back. You know, because we're through the tunnel of love. Here we are. Out the other end.
Wow, it's
look
cool.
at this. Beautiful. It's like going into the jungle.
That was like a fucking like Indiana Jones movie or something.
Oh wow.
Whoa.
So that's us through. The tunnel of love. The tunnel of love.
Cool.
The adventures of Angus's gang.
Let's get out here, no one. Oh, there, look. Here, eh? Look at this.
What the fuck?
Looks really cool, isn't it?
This is proper woods, bro.
This looks fucking great.
I'm not going
secret
in.
tunnel. We just walked through this little tunnel here. It's like, I don't know, maybe 100 meters long. You can even stand up when you're in it. It's really cool. There's a Dave in the tree.
Ooh. I am the green man. I am Purpose.
So we kind of just got out of the forest and we're making our way back to Danya, and then from there we go to Grey Stones, and probably that's gonna be it for today, you know. We're all very thirsty, there's no more drink we have left, so we're just looking for a shop and to get some water or something to drink. Alright, yeah, carry on walking. That's it for today. We just have some well-deserved cans here, and yeah, I'll see you on our next adventure.